Know that rivers flow from an upward trend to a lower area. You can see here. So this initially, I think, let's say, how many years ago? Let me say 80, not 80. Let me give it 40 years ago. There was no bridge here. There was no bridge here. There was just like land. It was just land, and then people are jumping. You can see people are jumping to pass through the other area. So actually a bridge was erected, I think in the early 1990s or in the early 2000s. A bridge was erected here so that people wouldn't have to jump to pass through the other end. This is the place where I'm at. Is actually a valley. You can see from upward there is it's a hilly place, and then to the other side it's a hilly place. So this is a valley. It forms something like a V. I'm not saying this is just, I'm using it as an analogy to say that this is a valley. You can see the clear waters going through. Hii inaenda hadi wapi? Nimbali. You can see I've been told by the children that the waters are passing through the other end. It's like let's say like 2 kilometers from here. You can see for yourself. These are very Bakaboro. These are very clear waters. Guys, I'm sorry. The waters actually flow to, I think, let's say 10 kilometers. Borosi ni mbali sana. They flow something like 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers from here. Adi? Nini? Foot road. Nitakuwa nayo. Bona? Oh, inafika huko. Oh. Kwa hivyo inapita Boro kidogo. So this stream actually flows to a very far area. See, beautiful. What is this here? These are maperas. Beautiful place here. Beautiful. Chota tu. Beautiful area. Si chote.